You're watching How Leap. Let's get the Instagram chat draw feature. This feature is called Doodle and is built into the camera. Open the Instagram direct messages and select a chat. Tap the camera icon to the left of the text box to open the camera. If you see options like live, boomerang, etc., swipe left on these camera modes. Or look for a pen icon. The pen icon opens the Doodle canvas. If you don't see it, try updating the Instagram app. Go to your device's app store, search for Instagram and tap update. Restart your phone after updating, then reopen Instagram and try the camera in DMs again. The feature should now be available. If not, it may be a server-side update still. Rolling out. The feature lets you draw on a blank canvas or over a photo to send as a message. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.